So I had this old, I don't know, 60s fucking wall board, whatever you'd call it, and this side had termites, and I ripped it off, and I ripped all the shit that had termites. The termites have been gone for a couple of years, but just finally getting around to doing it. Because I found this wood flooring on the side of the road, 3 boxes of it. It's not wood floor, it's like, I don't know, engineered shit. It's this stuff, but my neighbor has a concrete business, and I took some of this. You can still see the concrete on this. I took some scraps out of this because I'm fucking broke, and cut out all the old plywood that had that, and I got like 6, 7 pieces of this fiberboard OSB. Um, wait, anyway, yeah, I got like 5, 6 pieces. I wasn't gonna put it on video because it kind of embarrasses me, but it all came out. I mean, I got it all. I had put some 2x4s in there and everything, and getting this wood floor shit kind of matches that. But it's just finally get it done, and my girlfriend wants it painted, so it's her house. I just put this furnace in, and painted this area. What a shitty spot for a furnace, by the way. But yeah, a little freemium. Free wall. Yeah, I was embarrassed to show it all that because it's like pieces cut at 45-degree angles to get all the wood, to use all the wood I could to get it on the wall. A couple 2x4s backing it up. But I don't know. I think this wood floor looks okay. I mean, it matches this old shit, and you can't. I couldn't find this shit anywhere. I couldn't leave the termite infested shit up, and got the building inspector coming tomorrow to check out the furnace. So I didn't want this wall sitting there like that, half done. So anyway, not bad for finding it on the side of the road. Guess I should put some glue on that. Put about a screw in each one. I was hoping not to, but I just had to get screws in here. And then the trim will cover that up. And then hopefully I can find some tile on the side of the road. There was some, when my city does a cleanup, you just put all your shit out on the street, and the city comes and picks it up twice a year. And there was a bunch of decent looking tile. I think it's called travertine. I'm not sure what it's called, but it was decent looking, like good tile still in the boxes. And I ran home. I was on my bike. I ran home to get my girlfriend, grab the car, ran up to get it. It was only like half a mile from my house, and it was gone. But, when the house flooded a couple years ago, this was full of dirt. I filled the shop vac 7 times, getting all the dirt and silt out from under here, under these stairs, because the water main broke back there. You can barely see it. You can't even really see it. The water main broke in the crawl space, kind of. Maybe you can kind of see that last little valve. You can't see shit really, but anyway, back there ways, and I fixed that, but it leaked for a long time and ran all this dirt from under here back under the stairs, and finally getting that taken care of. Anyway, just a shitty YouTube video of what I'm doing.